Welcome back to Josem Graphics. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo reveal using a green screen template in CapCut. This simple technique will give your videos a professional touch in just a few easy steps. Let's get started by importing your green screen logo reveal template and your logo. Open CapCut, create a new project, and tap on the Import button. First, select the green screen clip you want to use for your reveal and then add your logo image. Place the green screen template on the timeline first and your logo image on a separate layer below it. Now, let's remove the green screen background. Select the green screen clip on the timeline, then tap on Chroma key. Use the color picker tool to select the green color from the video. Adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the green background is completely removed. Make sure the green is fully gone, leaving only the animated effect visible. With the green screen removed, it's time to position your logo. Drag your logo layer to match the reveal effect from the green screen clip. Resize and reposition the logo so that it aligns perfectly with the animation. You can add an entrance animation to your logo, like fade in, to make the reveal smoother. To make your reveal more dynamic, consider adding some extra effects or sound. Tap on Effects to explore visual enhancements like glow or lens flare. You can also add a swoosh or pop sound effect to sync with the reveal for a professional touch. Adjust the timing and volume of the sound effect to match the reveal perfectly. Once you're happy with the final look, it's time to export. Tap on the Export button at the top right corner, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and hit Export. Your logo reveal is now ready to use in your content. Save it to your device and start adding it to your videos to make them stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more content creation tips. Let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.